Hello everybody, and welcome to the first quick fire round with a case study on how to handle large batteries on a vessel safely and efficiently. So, the switch DCO protection concept ensures a ride-through, and we have several different products that will help you to ensure the ride-through on a vessel. Today, I'm going to talk about battery short-circuit current limiter and how to use that. I'm going today to look at the case study with Corvus Blue Whale, 20 megawatt hours battery, and our good friends over at Corvus, just to the side of us, with their batteries. And one of the issues with large battery systems is the short-circuit current contribution. If your system is designed for 100 kiloamps, you can only do a few of these, and you need to do 8 different DC hubs or 8 different active rectifiers to connect your batteries to. This becomes quite expensive and takes up a lot of space in your vessel. And we do believe that a much better solution is to use the BSCL, Battery Short Circuit Current Limiter. What that gives you the possibility to do is to connect several batteries to the same DC hub, so that you can have 2 BSCLs connected to one DC-DC chopper, and then you only have a short circuit contribution of 20 kiloamps, 10 kiloamps from each. So you have taken it down from 96 kiloamps to 10 kiloamps each, and then you are in something that is possible to control and to handle. So it makes life a lot easier for you. It is also possible to connect all of these batteries. You could have all of these batteries connected to one DC hub. So you could do then 20 megawatt hours of battery in one DC hub. And that is only possible because the battery short circuit current limiter are there. And how this works is that we are measuring how the load is behaving, and we are reacting based on that. So if we can see that the short circuit current is coming, we can then shut down so fast that you will not get any energy that will have an issue inside your system. We have used our knowledge about electronic bus links to develop this battery short circuit current limiter, and we have several orders, and the first is going to be delivered later this year. So we are very happy that the market has seen the potential of these battery short circuit current limiters, and that they are also seeing that we need to solve that issue with the high short circuit contribution coming from the batteries. Because it is a big challenge, and we need to figure that out. How are we going to handle that? How are we going to take care of that? And we have the solution. So let's look at the possible fault scenario. I've chosen to look at the cable failure from the battery. How will that behave? You have your DC hub running, everything is good. Battery is connected through the battery short circuit current limiter, BSCL, into a DC-DC chopper. Then something critical happens, you get a fault on the cable, and the BSCL will protect and make sure that any short circuit current contribution from the batteries are limited, and this will also help to protect the batteries, so that you will not get any issues from the batteries. They will have a really nice life, and also our protection in the inverter module will disconnect so fast that you will not see anything on the rest of the DC hub. So there will not be any trip of the other applications. We will only trip the inverter module and the BSCLs and make sure that everything is continued to run. We are very happy that we have a landmark pact with Corvus Energy on this solution, and because the battery short circuit current limiter enables really large batteries to be connected to existing electric system and also new electric systems. So it limits the battery short circuit current, protecting not only the installation and the vessel and the crew, but also protecting the batteries. So we are making sure that that battery has a good life, not run into any potential issues. And it reduces the total system size, so that you have a much more compact system. And as we all know, size on a vessel, that is important. That costs a lot. So you need to make sure that anything you can do to reduce the size is a good thing. And it's the same technology as the EDCB and EBL. We are calling it the first cousins. They are very closely related. So that means that we can use our knowledge and our know-how on EDCB, EBL, together with the BSCL, and making sure that everything is working nicely together. That was the end of my really short presentation. If there are any questions, I'm happy to answer them now. And if you want to learn more, please come visit us, Jaskov Environmental Energy, The Switch, at our booth, and talk with me or my colleagues about how to make your vessel a much better vessel. Thank you.